What is up, Dietza? My name is Kid Breaks Chronicles, and today my rant about the uses of four rants we use. I use Internet of Things, I watch anime, Turkish language content, and Serbian language content. So, let's go! I know about when I watched a Giving a Reason, but my cable box quit himself for my dad. Dad takes away the cable box, but I'm not a cable expert. I'm a digital expert. We have an internet access. When I just give you a reason of Internet of Things. So, my rant about Internet of Things when I get watching for my dad, it's always kind of want to watch that, whatever, like watching or whatever deaths cannot be want. So I cannot forget about risky modes for a long time. And also, I watch Japanese anime, Serbian language content, Turkish language content, the news, dramas, commercials, anime, sports, and all of entertainment programming. Give a reason about Internet of Things when I get watching. I know about when I watch the news, especially when I watch Serbian language news on video on demand and Turkish language on video on demand, both live and video on demand. So whatever like cable box is gonna get wanted. I know Rant is not perfect. It's my Kid Breaks Chronicles is full about the Internet of Things when I get choose to watch. Risky is not gonna become back or impossible with. So my best friend and I take care about watching a Serbian content, Turkish content, Japanese new anime, and more. Check it out my video. Give a good reason. I watch Turkish language television and live and video on demand, while Serbian language live video and on demand for video on demand programming, without cable, without satellite, all streaming services without an antenna for no having issues. So, I love Japanese anime. I love Turkish language television. I love Serbian language content. All content in the big reasons. So when I watch the different items before it's supposed to be when I shared, do that my best friend like watching because I get it for a long time. Well, but for a long reasons. So my best friend, I watch Serbian language content, Turkish language content, Japanese anime, and Internet of Things. Check it out, my video description below. Give a distance reason why I choose to watch a Serbian language content, Turkish language content, the news, sports, entertainment, and more stuff. And I watch a big fan of Japanese anime and manga programming, and I watch Serbian commercials and Turkish commercials with buy stuff in local European store. I was been a big exciting for whole darn life. So I know about my Internet of Things, Japanese anime, Serbian language content, and Turkish language content to watch on TVs and video on demand via internet with no cable, no satellite, no antenna, just internet. Enjoy your watching for no elsewhere. Give a good time for a long reasons. Since when I watch that Serbian language content, Turkish language content, news, sports, anime, and entertainment, all twice as much on the free streaming platforms all. Riskingly, I supposed to watch Serbian content, Turkish content, news, dramas, sports, anime, TV commercials, and entertainment, hits of commercials, hits of entertainment, hits of anime programming, and hits of Turkish series. All began in multi-genre programming, so check it out my video. Thanks for watching you guys on Kid Breaks Chronicles. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Kid Breaks Chronicles. Say goodbye to cable and satellite. Say hello to internet. Have a good luck. Have a good everyone.